So today I've been a busy bee. I made all the Easter cookies that I grew up having, literally the whole month of Easter since I was little. So pretty much this is all one dough. It's one recipe. It's the same recipe as the cookies for liquidata that you make during the holidays. It's the same dough. And look at all the different varieties you could do with it. This first one is the Italian Easter cookies with the egg in the middle. Look how cute these are. And you can make these any shape. These I did like a twist with the egg in the middle. These are kind of like a twisted braid style. And then this is a round one, kind of like that alittle, similar to that. And then here, it's just all like little round balls. And then you could do it in all different colors with the icing, which is just milk and powdered sugar. And then you could do it in any color you want. And then you literally frost it all around. And they're so cute on the Easter table or to give to family all month long.